Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast, and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Good morning, familia. Your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez, live on a Monday, December the 1st, familia. What's going on? Ready to look at the market and ready to make some money, familia. Hello, everyone, and welcome. All right, familia. Markets are moving. I'm going to jump right into the charts because there's a lot going on since last night. A lot of crazy volatility, and we have to be extremely careful. Very clearly, London right now is just doing a little bit of manipulation. All right, but you can see here how deep Asia went last night. Look at that, surprise. Alright, so gotta share, my friend. We got the one and only Mia in the house. Alright, so getting back to this, Asia went very deep. So it did a little bit of expansion last night. This is not accumulation, okay? Expansion. So it did. Now London is doing a little bit of manipulation. And why manipulation? Because it's clearly showing like it wants to break it to the downside, but it's not. So it's just clearing liquidity from these potential rise out of Asia, and it's just staying within that range. You can call it a little bit of consolidation, but a little bit not. It's truly consolidation because it's ranging between these two areas. But we know London loves to manipulate the market, so this is part of manipulation making us believe that it's going to go in one place, but it's actually not. So how can we read this market right now? Coming from last week, very easy. And again, I'm not even going to look into the higher time frames. Consolidation around this area, breaking to the upside, a little bit of a fake move, okay, then clean all that liquidity that it was built here. So after reaching that lower point, it's trying to do the same thing, but it's not. It's just staying here within this range. So it's building liquidity here, and right now it's in the middle point. All right, so if you look at this market, you have 50-50 chances that it can go up or can go down, right? To grab liquidity to continue to the upside or the downside. Now the question is, why is the market moving the way it's moving? All right, we got some news event at 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing, but let's see what happened last night. Let's just quickly see what happened last night. Swamp sell 50% of Elliott. Buy the deep. Right. Alright, so taking that off. Let's see if there's any news event. Chaos warrants of debt risk tied to Nvidia AL chips. Okay, yes. Chinas. Okay, US futures light Nvidia retreats as mood turns downbeat. US stock set a reverse rally as Nvidia meta retreat. So you see, I'm reading specifically what's going on with the AI because AI is what is hot right now,
and it is the main reason why the stocks are falling so crazy, including the Bitcoin. But don't fear, my friend, this is just part of the cycle. It's supposed to happen, fear, around this time. Alright. Nothing different than what I already knew what was going on. So man. Okay, nothing is strange in the Asian market. Power remarks. Okay. Nothing. So going back to this, and there you go. Getting emails everywhere. Go. Do you have your charger?
I still have my charge.
Huh? You gotta have a charger. Your laptop's depending on lots now. Alright, so okay, going back to NAS. Where is NAS here? Oh, I don't want to see any of this stuff. Going back to this. So again, you are in the middle of London. You got 50-50 chances this thing can go up or down. But let's look at the bigger picture of things. Since it's Monday, and it's gonna probably be a very slow Monday. I'm looking, let me see a structure here. I don't like this. I really don't like it. This here is terrible in trading. You have no edge. But when it's sitting like this in the middle point of, and look at that, this entire market, I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. It has been like that. You only trade the extreme, but where are you in the extremes? You are in the middle point right now. Like, where's the market going? Where's liquidity sitting in the bigger scale of things? Really, that's the question you should be asking. Where is the market going? It's starting from the bottom and going all the way up there. We know it's a negative wave, all of this stuff. But fear right now is in the air. But what the market is telling us with this behavior here in the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 hours, including last the 30th. This is from the 30th. December the 1st, including from here. Gold, all the momentum, the raise may come down to a wire. Yeah. Honestly, what I would do right now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, I want you guys to see this bigger picture. The 4-hour time frame, we are in the middle point. You understand? What's up, Jay? Morning, familiar. We are in the middle point of everything, but we are below the D-Web. That's a good thing. Wall Street set to open lower ahead of power speech manufacturing data. Again, there's news event at 10. And you guys will probably see the market doing that up and down before that news event at 10. So remember, for those who are funded, do not trade, because it's part of some of the brokers don't like you guys to trade news events. Make sure that you're out. If you are running the bot will have a feature to not open any trades. Alright, so right now it's sitting right in the middle point, and liquidity is sitting above and below these two areas. So it's no trades for you guys, unfortunately. Sitting at the 50%. And it can go in both directions. Longer term right now, and I'm talking about more as a swing trader, it should continue pushing to the upside. It could probably finish in a week or two. But in an intraday world, you have no direction right now. It's sitting in the middle point. You have to wait. Unfortunately, you have to wait for the market to give you some. You have to wait for the market to give you some. And it's going to give it to you in the extremes of these two areas. Right, that's the 4-hour time frame. Go to the 1-hour time frame. It's coming from the bottom already, trying to move a little bit higher. Wow. Don't feel bad if you stay cash today. All I can say that. Just don't feel bad if you stay cash. You know what that means? If you don't have to open any trade, don't trade. Don't feel forced to trade every time, okay? We only seek for opportunities, and if we don't see them, we don't take them. But what's gonna happen if when you're forced to trade, or you feel like you're forced to trade because you have to make X amount of dollars per day, then you burn your account and then you're not making any money. I want to see if the market is gonna be following patterns today. But remember, familia, the market is gonna seek for liquidity in each point, on the very top or the bottom. Where is it going? People are saying, well, what you guys saw in the news, that it might be triggering to come down. But we're seeing something different right now. We're seeing the market going up. 50-50 chances, as I said. What do I see in US30? Let's see, I'm gonna save this. In US30. Ah, my friend. Same thing. Don't bother. Same thing. Don't bother. Look at that. Same thing. Don't bother. I'm gonna delete this. But the US30 seems to be a little bit more volatile right now. A lot of indecisions. You see these wicks, how they're coming down, they move up, down, move up, down, move up. Even though we are in a down market, in a bearish market. Let me see SP 500. The entire market, it's a picture of the same thing over and over. But remember, SP 500, it has to lead. Always the lead. Always the lead. Hey, J Miles, don't trade anything, man. Stay out. Stay out. If I'm gonna trade anything, I'm gonna definitely be looking to sell, because we are in a bigger trend. We are in a downtrend. But my concern, honestly, is all of this in Asia that was built, and New York can truly tap in into and try to grab all this. But before doing that, it needs to grab liquidity. It needs to come to the low side and then push to the upside. Honestly, familia, like what I've seen many times in these patterns I mentioned before, is always hitting 61-70% of the fifth, pushing to the other side here, targeting these areas here at the top, targeting these areas here at the top, and then push down. And I'm talking now about experience. I'm not talking about anything else, because obviously I've seen this a lot of times, and every time I see that, always targeting these areas here, just respecting this bottom side here slowly. And I'm talking about intra, not even a scalping, intra before the end of the day. And why? Because when you read the Asian market, liquidity is sitting up around this entire area. So many resting orders around here that have not been clear at all. But before making that push, the market needs to grab fuel somehow. But we got news events coming in the next hour or so, and anything can happen, especially when you are in a position of a 50-50 chances. So I will be watching the market, but if I see an opportunity, we'll be for sure selling around Once he grabs liquidity and turn to the downside, that's what I'm gonna sell. Why? Because a bigger picture seems to be a bear market. They're still pushing to the downside. We will see. See how price came to the daily VWAP and bouncing out of it? It has been doing that several times. Let's see. Alright, we got 14 minutes for the market to open. It is very overbought at this point. I want to I don't well let me see if I can delete a few things here. Hold on. I know one of our friends asked last night about indicators, and he wants to know a list of the indicators that we're using here. I'm gonna put it to the side here, and these are the indicators that I have. The precision, they're all in my profile. This is the only indicator that is not in my profile because it's from my friend, but I already asked him about putting it in my profile. He's okay with it. I will be recoding this entire thing and put it in my profile so you guys can download it. But these are the indicators that you guys can have. Just go into my profile and TradingView. You get them for free. All right. And this one here is EWO plus the squeeze momentum. These at the bottom. But what I'm saying is that there's one more that I want to start showing you guys how to use, and it's the Bollinger Bands. It's a Bollinger Band. So I will be talking about that with the VIP later, and it's a really good indicator when you know how to use it. It is already included inside the trading Smurf, the one I created. It is disabled right now, but it is in there. All right, it's pushing back down because it hit that daily VWAP. Any question? You watch. Okay, it's pushing down hard. Very, very hard. Wow. Probably just gonna keep pushing down. Let me go into the 5-minute time frames because I now want to see a lot of data. I want to see data. We are in the 1 minute in the 5-minute time frame. Just to eliminate a lot of that noise. It's doing the pre-market. That was a pre-market high, pre-market low. It is staying within this range. It's still back into the 50-50, familia. It is. This is wild. It is very wild today. Very wild market. But my sentiment is still bearish. I believe By the time the market opens, you might just continue to come and grab liquidity here at the bottom before doing anything drastic to the upside. Honestly, like, thing is, liquidity sitting here. I don't want to do this because you know whenever I put this is where the market is going usually. But I'm gonna keep it clean. I'm not going to draw any X's because I honestly, when you have 50-50 chances that it's going to one area or the other, it could truly do that. Just go first to one area, then the other. What area is gonna do first? Just looking at what I see here, probably the bottom. Again, it's all about probabilities. What makes more sense at the end of the day. But ultimately, it will push up to those areas. Why? Because the Asian market liquidity was not clear. So New York might be targeting that as an intraday, long term. So remember what you guys have to do before the beginning of your day. You got to look at your account. You got to understand what kind of trading you're going to be looking at. Intra, swing, scalping. If you're looking as a swing trader, all of these won't matter. None of it will matter because you probably won't see an entry right now until God knows when. But if you are doing intra, I'm providing you with information for intra. What's the market going to do before the end of the day? Hitting the upside. But how it's going to get there? It needs to grab fuel. Where is the fuel? It's hitting at the bottom. You know what I mean? So all you got to do is wait. Wait. No rush. So you ready to trade your account?
I'm gonna have to trade on my device.
Your laptop is not working?
The device is not working without everything that's upstairs.
Oh my god, this is Christmas, familia, and it is very, 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 very slow. December 1st, beginning of the month. Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. Ay, ay, ay. What's gonna be a beautiful week, hopefully. So what kind of trade I am going to be looking? I want to see the market pushing down, doing some really crazy damage, and then pushing back up. We are still below the daily VWAP. If you guys want to sell, you're more than welcome to do it. I will wait for my opportunity. No rush. Remember, the first trade for me is always the most important one. Always the first trade, because that will determine how the rest of my trades will happen during the day. So I need to make sure that it's a win. How do I make sure that it's a win? I wait for my perfect A+ entry. No perfect A+ entry, no trade. No rush. Because then I can stay cash, my money's safe, and I am not going crazy. Now, if you see the opportunity and everything matches, even then still you have a percentage of losing. If you lose, that's it. The second trade will be the most important trade for you, because you have to make sure that you're not doing anything silly. Now, if you lose 3 times, you stop for the day. No more trade for you. You get out. But all of these has to be controlled. All of these have to be planned ahead. You cannot just jump into the market because you feel like, you know, you're gonna win today. Like, 'cause that's a casino scenario. You go to the casino because you feel like you're gonna win. You know you're gonna lose, but you feel you're gonna win, right? You can't come here feeling like you're gonna win. You gotta come here with a plan, and that plan has to be tied to your risk. How much are you willing to lose before you win? That's it. If you're not willing to lose anything, then don't trade. If you're willing to lose $100, just trade that.
So what's the exit?
I'm not sure if we can do it on your phone. All right, so market is coming down. It's coming down. We got 5 minutes to open. 5 minutes. Let's see what the bot is saying to us here. It's gonna find opportunities. The entire market is in a downtrend. That's insane. Remember what the trade that I will be doing, I'm gonna be buying the market. Me personally, I'm gonna be buying the market. When it grabs liquidity at the bottom, then I will buy the market. And it could be within this range, anywhere within this range, as long as it clear this out, because it's probably gonna try to clear this out or grab the session lower point, then we are in the money. It could be here or it could be here, these two areas. Now if the market decides to push down even further down, it will be probably most probable targeting here. It will be definitely targeting this area here, this area. Right here. Second, if we break this bottom part here, it's probably gonna be targeting that here. Let's see. If you guys are selling or buying, let us know. What are you guys doing? What are you guys waiting for? Personally, what are you guys waiting for on any given trade? You guys want to buy? You guys want to sell? Or what are you guys seeing on the screen? All right. Just waiting. But the market is definitely gonna move. No questions asked. It's gonna move like a ballerina. Let's go. Again, I'm buying the market, okay? For scalping. For scalping, the money is to buy the market. It needs to come down first. It needs to move drastically to the bottom. Rapid fire to the bottom. Liquidity to me is sitting right here around this area. I'm probably gonna buy around here. 1 minute. Actually 20 seconds. It's fine in the market. Let's see. I think it's gonna come all the way down here. Let's see. But I'm gonna be ready to buy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market open. Fire. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, let's go. Anybody buying with me? Anybody buying? All right, I'm taking that buy right there. Let's go. But I'm up by 1,500. I'm gonna be switching my hat soon. Not enough fuel. Keep pushing. Buyers are in. Wow. Now to the downside. I'm out of the trade. $2,241. All right. I'm trading in Top Step another 150k account. Oof. I'm gonna move to the 1 minute time frame. Wow, it's coming badly to the downside. Are you guys buying? Are you guys selling? What are you guys doing? Can you share your what you guys are doing on the screen? Nothing. Too fast for you? Everybody making bad decisions or good decisions? All right, so Lisa is selling. Very good, Lisa. And what I said where I was gonna buy, it went exactly to that point. And when the market is doing that, I love it. That's when I make the most money, when it's crazy like this. But I need to see it. The good thing here, you know what? Let me see if I can. I'm gonna delete this. I don't care about that. Let me see Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band. This one here. This is the one I want you guys to have. Not the band itself, but this indicator. For you to buy and sell on the streams of this indicator. This one here. I'm gonna keep it better. On the extremes of this indicator. Only on the extreme. It's getting out to the red point here. And you guys see the reaction. And Lisa, what I said to buy the market. You're out. Up to 150, you're out. Good, that's it. It was buying the market, but buying at the bottom. But when you have this indicator, you do it on the extremes, and there's a lot more for you guys to learn about it. It is an amazing indicator. There you go. You guys see. wants to move to the downside now, but he's probably taking its time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm only up at 2,500 bucks. All right. I'm gonna lower this down. It's respecting that range there. All right. Remember what I said, familia? One of the things of the Bollinger Band is that when you see the price dragging inside the bands, it's probably going to continue pushing in that direction. So I don't trade it. But we are already in the buy. So remember what I said? Remember what I said? Off you go, price. Keep pushing to the upside. Off you go.
What are you trading?
Hmm?
What are you trading?
What am I trading in?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
What are you trading?
Oh, NASA. Look, you have to look at MNQ, which is for futures. NAS. Jay, what's happening, man? I'm missing a few people here. What's going on? It's Monday. Everybody's doing well. Are you guys winning? Are you guys losing? Are you guys getting desperate? Share your experience, familia. Share your experience. Are you guys lost? Are you guys still losing money? Burning accounts? Yesterday was a really bad day for me. But it's okay. We'll make it again. We'll go up again. And I am out. I am out. I was doing trailing stop on this transaction. I am out. It's pushing down now because of price movements, and it's going back up. All right. I am up right now. I'll show you guys here where I'm at. This is top step, up by $3,000, $3,037. Bollinger Bands, your best friend right now. You see what happened here on the red spot? Sell. And that's when you're out. So what do you do now? You buy here when it's in the green area. Maybe I should highlight this better. There. Wow. I'm gonna see. Hold on. Let me see if I can. I can configure this. So you see, you sell at the top, buy at the bottom, sell at the top, buy at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Easy breezy cover, girl. It's back into the middle point. You don't trade. Guess this is gonna go to the bottom. So,
I'm confused. What am I supposed to do?
wait, what?
I'm just sitting.
Well, are you learning anything? Your laptop? Where's your laptop? Maybe join the live in your room. Alright. Mia is going to her office in her room. Because she can have her laptop here somehow, and better for her to be in her room. And she's gonna join the live. But you guys see here, price is literally going everywhere, literally going all over the place. But I will only trade Bollinger Bands right now, the extremes of the Bollinger Bands. It's the safest thing to do right now. And what is the Bollinger Bands here? This is telling us that it's in the middle point, so no trade as long as it's in the middle point. This is not the Bollinger Bands, okay? The Bollinger Bands it will be actually bands on the top, but I'm looking at my other screen. I will have the VIP to get it going and explain to you guys how this works. But it is coming down. We got news events in 20 minutes. So Jay, you're grinding hard. Up 636. Congratulations, man. Renee, what's up, man? See you quiet. I miss Josh and Wyona. What's up with everyone? Josh, Wyona, where are you guys? Tony, the one and only. Anna, what's up? Angie. All right, it's coming down. It's dragging in the Bollinger Band. You see why I'm not buying? Because I'm waiting for the Bollinger Bands to come into the green area. And probably even lower now. Probably it's gonna come all the way there. My goodness. My goodness. I'm up $4,000. Maybe they got drunk on the weekend. Well, maybe. I don't think maybe I don't know. I don't think Wyona or Josh drank anything. Maybe water. $15 minutes for the news event. I'm gonna go with the flow of the market. I'm gonna go with the flow of the market right now, and the flow is telling me to sell the market. I'm gonna go short very soon. I'm going short very soon. gotta let the market flow. It's going higher and higher and higher. We got news events soon. Wow. Back in the area. Wow. Already making a higher high. What I said, familia, to the upside. He broke this zone here. It's expanding right now. Oh boy, it's coming down again. It's just expanding and expanding a lot. I don't think it's gonna go. Oh my god, such a drastic move. I think it's gonna go to the upside more. We got how long? We got 11 minutes for the news. It's very strange what it's doing. Just lingering in an area. He wants to go to the downside now, but he's not. I think it's gonna go higher. Way higher. This market is wild, like wildfire right now. Too easy to be true. One expand so you guys can see what I see here. This is fair value up here at the bottom. Buyers are kicking in hard. I gave you guys the key. I said to you guys the market was gonna go up. But let's see. Remember to buy at the very bottom, okay? Whatever you guys do, buy at the very, very bottom. News in 9 minutes. Let's see. Usually the market moves in the contrary direction of where investors believe that the market will move on prior earnings event. Usually, if you guys see the market pushing to the upside and not going to the downside right now, it's probably because it's going to go to the downside. But it will do a liquidity grab, clear everybody out, and then move down. It's going to go higher first and then down. Based on what I see here. Or the opposite, if it goes down first, it will move to the upside. These patterns here are very likely that it will go higher. It wants to do another higher high. Literally fighting the zone here. But buyers are in the market. Yes, 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 yes. I'll be shocked if this thing collapse before this news event. It is holding hard. Holding hard. Unreal. It's gonna slow down probably. If you guys see in the last 5 minutes that it's gonna like go lower, is because it's gonna go really high. News event in 6 minutes. It's holding. Oh my god. This is going to be pretty cool. Coming higher, familia. It's coming higher, as I said, to buy the market. You gotta believe me, my friends. Wow, this thing is moving like a rocket to the upside. It's clearing Asia, my friends. It's clearing Asia. All that liquidity from Asia is gone. That's what I said here. You see? Wow, it's coming to the area here. What a big move. What a big move. That is big, big, big. 3 minutes before the market news event. That is a big, 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 big move. Let's see. Around here. Why is the market doing that at this time? Doing a little retracement 2 minutes before the news event. Okay, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Doing that pullback now. It looks like it's gonna keep pushing higher. That pullback now. One minute. Okay, let's see. 15 seconds. Should not create a big impact. This isn't really a red folder, but it's not that crazy. 3, 2, 1. And to the upside. There you guys see. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. As I said, it's a red folder, but it's really not crazy volatility. Let's see. The numbers on that came lower than expected. So you guys can see CAD Manufacturing PMI. The actual greater than forecast, good for the currency, but it is lower than the forecast. So it is bad for the currency. If it's bad for the currency, then it's good for NASDAQ. So NASDAQ should keep pushing higher. That's the logic behind it. And that's what you guys see here. The price is trying to get to our circle. I didn't put the X on it, but I understand liquidity should go at least there. Even though that was my final. Oh, I did it actually on the SP 500. That's so crazy. Did I? Yeah, it's okay. I did it on SP 500. It's doing the same move anyways. But liquidity is sitting in those areas. Took the buy for 2,385. I'm out for the day. You should be out for the day and the week, okay? Okay, Jay. Congratulations for those who made money. Only up 95, but good. If I stop for that, very good. Just don't trade anymore. Done deal. Now, when you look at the Bollinger Bands at the very top, you guys see he's in a overbought state. We still have a long way to go, my friends. A long way to go. He wants to go lower. Interesting. I'm only up by 3,571 right now. Not much. But very good for those who made some money. The market's gonna idle for now. It's probably gonna keep going. But an introduction for you guys is this indicator that I want you guys to start using it better than the other one. I think it's gonna add more values to what we're doing right now. Everything triggered on me. What was that alarm for? MNQ crossing. Why do I have that alert on? MNQ crossing. Why did I put an alert on MNQ? MNQ. Oh, could it be something else? I don't know. It triggered an alert on me. Weird. But that is delayed right now, so I'm gonna go back to NAS here. Upside, Elliott wave 1, 2. And going to the upside again. It's finding the zone, fighting it hard. wants to create another higher high. The purpose of the market is always something else. Wants to go higher now. When you're following the ball in your bands, and if it's not in an extreme overbought or oversold, you don't do anything. But it's clearly that it's moving to the upside. Obviously, it's not going to go in one shot, but you know how it is. Based on the DXY and everything else, it should keep pushing to the upside. Let's see, DXY. DXY is trying to recover, move to the upside. Alright, so NAS is going up, creating higher highs. Again, it's only 10:08. So a lot to go still during the day. So for those who believe that the market was going to go to the downside, now you guys still holding positions, keep holding. All right. What are your numbers, familia? Are you guys losing, winning? What are you guys doing? Are you guys losing, winning? What's going on? Put those numbers in the chat, familia. What's going on? Come on. What's up?
I have no clue what I'm looking at. I don't know what time frame you're on. I can't see anything but the chart and not
Very interesting. So Mia is here. She's giving me some inputs. She says that she cannot see the time frame but not choosing. What else?
I can't see like the US 100 caps. That's what I was talking.
She said that she cannot see the instrument. That's very good. Very good. What else? That's it. Okay. You guys agree? Yeah. Very good, Jay. Do not trade. Good stuff, Angie. Good stuff. Up 155. If you guys are up, don't trade anymore, okay? Done for the day. I am up by $4,337 on 150K account. Watch. MNQ, which is Microsoft Ordinance, which is, you see this here? So I'm trading futures. The account that you have are CFDs accounts. So you're gonna have a different name on it. So you just have to look for what you have, which is NAS. The graph is gonna be the same. Everything's gonna be the same except the price. You're trading CFDs, I'm trading futures. It's the same analysis. So let's agree with Mia. Mia, it is on the spot. So what I'm gonna do, let's see. Trading desk. Much better. Oh, much better. The entire screen is on your screen, but you guys don't see my beautiful face. All right, so I'll keep it like that then. That way you guys can see the entire screen. I don't care about me. I don't care about me. But you guys can see it better now, right? Everything I got. Everything I got. More cleaner chart. I probably put my pretty face somewhere here. If you guys want to see my pretty face.
Why don't you just put on the watch list?
Hmm?
Like you can put it on the watch list.
Put it on the watch list. Where?
Like I don't know, on the bottom.
What? My face?
Yeah, if you add your face.
No, nah. Familia, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please, please, please hit that like button. Definitely will help this community to keep growing and find more traders like you. But look at that. Indecisions, indecisions, indecisions.
Dad,
Yes.
on gold, do you think I should enter trade when it hits here or just now? Because there's also demand here. 15-minute demand.
You want to buy or sell?
Well, sell, but I don't know because if it hits here and then it goes breaks again, I don't know if I should enter now if it's going to continue or go.
Wait for a pullback. Price is clearly moving in one direction, pushing up. Just remember to not fall into any traps. There's many traps all over the place in the market. Engineer move that they keep conditioning you so they can then do a karate kick. Oh, you. Wow. It's pushing down hard now. Oh, now Renee sent me to the music. Oh, oh Jesus. Yeah, the music is relaxing. I'll do something with the screen. I'll change it so you guys can see all this stuff. Thanks to Mia and her inputs. Oh my God, the market is collapsing. What's going on? Ah, Jesus. No mercy.
Now you're trading on US. You're trading on NAS.
I'm just trading NAS. Still on NAS. I haven't done anything different. Just trading NAS.
Are you trying to sell?
Really, I'm kind of like done for the day. I'm just looking. Looking. I made too much money. Now I need to lose money. Jesus Christ.
That's a thing.
Hmm?
That's a thing.
And then when you're trying to lose money, that's when like every single trade that you do it's a win. So I'm up by $4,606, and I got to lose $100 because I ain't. This is a another 150K account for Top Step that I'm doing. So I got to lose money. Jesus, oh, man, that sucks. That's what I'm standing right now. I'll show you guys here. Maybe you guys can see my entire screen. I gotta lose money now. I don't even know. Like, this is my PL. I gotta lose money. Gotta lose money. Gotta lose money. Let's see. Lose money. Lose money. $10 less. Gotta lose $90. Lose money. Lose money. Lose money. Yeah. 61. I'm gonna lose money. Lose money. Lose money. Lose money. No. 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 Jesus. No. Okay. Lose money, lose money, lose money. No. Yes. All right. Okay. Gotta lose $41. $41. And wait, buy, sell. It should go lower. So I'm gonna buy. Lose money, lose money, lose money. Yes. Okay, I gotta lose now $3. No, $7. Lose money, lose money, lose money, lose money. Oh my god, I just made money. Lose money, lose money, lose money. Now I gotta lose $3. Lose money, lose money, lose money, lose money. Yes, right on the spot. 4,499.80. So that's my limit for the day. 4,099.80. All right. So I leave it like that. No more trading that account. 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 All right, I'm gonna be switching accounts now. Switching accounts, switching accounts, switching accounts. Switching accounts, switching accounts. Take profit trader. Nah. Switching accounts, switching accounts. It's going down. Renee, what's up, brother? Let me see how I can get my pretty face here. Hold on. All right, let me go back to the full screen. No, yeah, certainly does. There you go. Somewhere there. Much better, isn't it? Maybe around. Oop. Maybe here. I'm floating everywhere. There. The bottom here. My God. Somewhere here. Doesn't matter to me. Whatever. You guys can see me. Right now, the market, it is showing a clear direction. I told you from the bottom, just to buy the market. But it is choppy. Like, so what do you do with a market like this? You have to now think like what is happening on the other side. A lot of average pricing, mainly. And why is the market behaving like this? Because the big sharks are not in the water. Period. Okay. So who is driving the market? So what you got to go into Finbits, and it's probably a mixed market. Let's see. Like if you go to home, get all the way, look at that. Ooh, it is mixed. It is mixed, but Nvidia's holding. Microsoft, Apple, Google, Meta, everybody's selling, right? Selling, but Nvidia is holding. And then all the little sharks on the bottom of the ocean are not doing much. Let's see. We're here. Oh, it's just taking a long time to load. I don't know what's going on with my computer. Okay, now we're gonna answer by the change. Wow, it is supposed to be selling, but Nvidia is the one who's pushing this thing higher. You see that you guys see it here is selling, but Nvidia is the one who is trying to hold it and push it higher. Strange. Weird, weird. Yeah, it's better to sell right now. Pointing back to the daily VWAP. Like your take profit should be in the daily VWAP. moving lower and lower and lower slowly. But at one point, it's going to come back up and clear all that. So basically, this is going to clear all that at some point. It wants to push higher. I said be careful because when he break this, it's gonna go to the upside hard. Our indicator here is saying to sell the market. We should listen to it. Sell the market. My concern is this: when I see this pattern, usually it breaks it because the liquidity is sitting here, sitting here. So it's gonna target the second point here to clear everybody up before pushing to the downside. You can call it a consolidation state, but it's just gonna clear all this and then push. Don't be so overconfident that it's gonna go in one direction, because that's when the market kicks you in the rear. There you go. Selling familia, selling, 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 selling. Yay! That was a big, nice sell. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Familia. Thank you, 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 Familia. Thank you. Sell in the market, sell in the market. But now look at this. We are in our Bollinger Bands, and it is inside the area. So the Bollinger Band says to buy when it's in this area, when it's extremely oversold. And if we turn on our handy dandy tool here to find out where are we. It's trending down, by the way, trending down. Be careful from it. It's trending down hard. Probably gonna be targeting these areas at the bottom here. So it's trending down, trending down, trending down. Oh, wow, full recovery. Full recovery. Oh, no good, no good, no good. Liquidity hunt. Liquidity hunt. No good, no good. Let's see if it's gonna break that zone or not. Yep, broke it. Broke it. Broke it. Mike, there's no tomorrow. Done, done, done. Probably gonna continue pushing to the upside. Probably. Uh-huh. Clearing everybody out and then grabbing liquidity to the bottom. Alright, a smart move. Very smart move. Ay, ay, ay. Hmm. So what are we doing in the 4-hour time frames? What are we doing in the 4-hour time frames? I'm gonna turn this off. In the 4-hour time frame, heavy rejection here. Heavy rejection there. Heavy rejection in that zone. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. Target. Target around here. Heavy rejection there is a good indication that the market is probably gonna go do a little pullback right into this area here and then go all the way up here. And this is where I put my X. Boom. Boom. No. I needed direction of the market. I needed to see the market moving away from all this junk. Right? So I'm putting this here. I'm putting this here. Intraday move, potentially swing trade. I can't see another body right now being formed to the upside and then hitting that. But before doing that, it's gonna. This is what I can see the market doing. There was a nice rejection there, pushing the market down, probably back into this area, and from there doing another green candle going all the way up here. All of that out of the 4-hour time frame. Remember, familia, I am mainly a swing trader. So understanding these movements of the markets, it's my thing. And I see the market doing that. You see the Bollinger Bands here, right in the middle point. If you are trading a swing or a scalping, don't do anything. You trade on the pullback from the Bollinger Bands to enter the market. Long position around here, probably. The good thing is that we know where we should put our stop losses. Stop loss should be there. Targeting here. Okay. Giving you that trade. Probably a little bit lower. Lower, yeah. Lower is okay. I'm giving you a trade familiar right now. 1 to 2. There you go. And right at the 4-hour time frame. Buy the market when it comes down there again. Okay? Buy the market when it comes down here again. Only. Put your stop loss below this lower point. Only. Set that trade as a swing trade and let everything else do what it's supposed to do. All right? I'll say that too. That's for NAS. Right now, it's just not doing much. For scalping, we did all the money of the world. For a swing trade, wait for a nice pullback. Stop loss around this area. And always hit to your take profit at least 1 to 1 when it goes back there. So around here, do partial trades. Okay. Save. All right. I'm leaving you with that swing trade on the screen. Leaving the intraday. But wait for the market to come there down to you. Now we want to see more details. Ooh, it probably already happened. Just wait for the market to come on to entry, all right? Again, the best part is that we know where we should put our stop losses. Nice wall here. Nice target there. All right, is that all right? All right, familia, I am going to go get some breakfast. So Thank you for joining us. I will fix my screen so it's better, bigger and better for you guys tomorrow. So I'll spend some time doing that today. Okay, familia. Have yourself a wonderful rest of the day. Take care.
Goodbye.